Which rainforest is the largest in the world? Amazon rainforest, Congo rainforest, or Daintree rainforest? Amazon rainforest. What percentage of the world's oxygen is produced by rainforests? 10%, 20%, or 30%? 20%. What is the most common type of plant found in the rainforest? Orchid, liana, or ferns? Liana. Which layer of the rainforest is the tallest, forming a continuous canopy of leaves? Emergent layer, understory layer, or canopy layer? Canopy layer. What percentage of the world's plant and animal species are found in rainforests? 30%, 50%, or 60%? 50%. What is the name of the soil found in the rainforest, known for its poor nutrient content? Loam, clay, or laterite? Laterite. What is the average temperature range in tropical rainforests? 68 to 93 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or 80 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. 68 to 93 degrees Fahrenheit.